I also did a blog post recently, and it was about the new vehicle registration stuff. And a lot has changed with this last legislature. And it was amazing to me how much really bad information got posted back in the comments on that. So we have Scott Grigg with us. And if there's anybody that's got the right information, it's that guy. So, Scott, can you talk to us about what's up with vehicle registrations now?
Yeah, the legislature passed where there was no safety inspection. So there was a lot of press out there, no safety section, no safety inspection. What they failed to mention was in our bigger counties, such as Collin County, Dallas County, EPA still requires us to do emissions testing. So we have a lot of people showing up at our offices, going online, even going to our grocery stores without that emissions test. And then they end up getting turned away because without that, they can't finish their registration. So I appreciate this opportunity to come on and help get the word out there that test has to be done. Because even online, you get to a certain point and the online says, okay, you can't complete your registration. You got to go talk to your tax collector or go to the tax office, but they don't tell you that that's what the problem is. So we get these emails saying, hey, why can't this be completed? And then we just got to, respond to them, say, go get that emissions testing done. Of course, with the legislation, they could change that again this year and it could come right back for that safety inspection. But just go in, get that emissions test done. It ranges around $19, $20 is what that cost is when you go into the centers to have that done and then come back. The thing is, and I hear a lot of complaints about this, unfortunately, there's nothing my office can do about it. There's still an inspection fee of $750 on your registration. The legislation put that there. I think it's called an inspection replacement fee. So while they got rid of our inspection, they're still hitting us for the fee. So I still have to pay it. All of us are having to pay it. And trust me, I've kind of bent my rep's ear on that. I'm like, you guys took away the inspection, but you didn't take away our fees. So I kind of get the blunt of that as well. So, but I guess it's all part of the job. So.
I guess that goes with the territory. Yeah. I think there's 17 counties that still have to do the emissions testing. And that's EPA based. That's where that's coming from.
Yeah, that's a federal thing. It's EPA based. It's based on air quality. It kind of goes along with our population and just how many vehicles we have running around, the area. So.
Okay. Well, there's the truth. There's an emissions test by the federal government, and we still have an inspection replacement fee with no inspection.
Exactly.
So there's the deal.